Woo, it's circle time, baby. Just got back from a walk with Jenny. It was awesome. It was dope. Now time to do some more math. She's pumped about it. All right, let's roll. So we got circle E. We have arc DC is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees right here. Arc AC is 90 degrees. And I want to figure out what angle B is. Okay, well, angle B, first we want to identify that as an out angle. All right, now an out angle follows the formula of arc minus arc divided by 2 is going to equal that angle. And obviously it's got to be the large arc minus the small arc. Otherwise, we're going to get a negative answer. That's not right. Okay, can't have a negative angle measure in the context of geometry. So, what arcs does angle B intercept? Well, one of them is AC, so we're good there. But the other one is going to be AD. Notice how this hits at C and D. This hits at A. Okay, so that's where my arcs are made up from based on that angle intercepting those arcs. Okay, that's awesome sauce. Okay, let's see here. Well, how am I going to find AD? Well, I've got 2 of the arcs. I know there's 360 degrees in an entire circle. How about this? I'm going to take 120. I'm going to add 90. That gives me 210. Now, if I take 360 minus that 210, that'll tell me I have 150 degrees left in that circle. This arc is 150 degrees. Now, do I have the information that I need to figure this out? Heck yeah, I do. All right. So I've got my big arc, 150, minus my smaller arc, which was 90 right there, right? Divided that by 2. So I've got 60 divided by 2, and that's going to be 30 degrees. Boom. Dunzo. That's angle B right there. I think we have time for one more in this video. Time for one more. Also dealing with angles, but this time we're going to be dealing with 2 chords. That's going to be an in angle. Okay, so I got circle F. I know arc AB is 130 degrees. I know angle DEC. This is 100 degrees. And I want to figure out what's the measure of arc DC. So the angle that's 100 degrees, that's an in angle, right? An in angle is calculated using the 2 intercepted arcs, adding those 2 together, dividing by 2, and I get the angle. I forgot my equal sign again. There we go. All right. Well, one of my intercepted arcs is the 130 degrees. Although the 100 that's labeled there is not intercepting that arc, its angle that is congruent to it and vertical is intercepting at B and A. So that's our 130. All right. Now, I don't know this arc over here, so I'm going to make that X divided by 2, but I do know that should equal 100, which is my in angle. The vertex of that angle is in the circle, so it's an in angle. Now, we're just doing some algebra. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I end up with 130 plus X is equal to 200. Subtract 130, and I get X equals 70 degrees. There we go. We dealt with an out angle. We dealt with an in angle. Perhaps in the future, we can deal with an on angle. That would be great. But for now, see you.